It's Sunday and I'm in Yorkshire, the Leeds area, visiting my friend Rachel, and we're getting ready to have dinner. And guess what? We're making Yorkshire puddings in Yorkshire. So I'm pretty excited about that. And so I'm gonna go in there, and Rachel and I are going to attempt to make Yorkshire puddings together. It might be Rachel and her mom making the puddings and I just stand around and film, but we'll see how it goes. But I'm going to be really interested to see Yorkshire puddings made correctly and hopefully better than mine turned out back in Texas. Our oven is preheating to 250 Celsius. Okay, Rachel's pouring a little bit of oil into the bottom of each of these muffin cups. What do you call these, that tray?
A Yorkshire pudding tray?
Oh, this is a legit Yorkshire pudding tray. Actually, that's one of the things that I think was not as good when I made mine, is they were probably deeper, because I think good Yorkshire pudding trays are shallower than a cupcake kind of tray. Okay.
So we're going to put these in to heat up.
Yes, we're putting the oil in to heat up. Okay, so how long do you put it in for?
Honestly, time-wise, I can't remember, maybe 5 minutes, but usually when I can smell the oil burning.
Okay, when it's like smoking hot.
Yes, smoking.
All right, we're gonna wait for it to start smoking. We're using the old rule of thumb here of get a mug, and we're measuring a mug full of flour.
Plain flour.
Plain flour, okay.
All purpose? Plain
Yes,
over here?
yes. Mug of flour.
There we go.
And then what's next? Okay, a mug full of eggs, which is approximately 5.
Yeah.
So we're putting in, we ended up doing 6 eggs because it's a large mug, so it was a larger amount of flour.
There we go.
Okay, and then this is a Yorkshire trick. We're not doing straight milk, so we're doing half water or half water, and then half milk.
Oh.
All right.
I just put it all together and
Whisk until thoroughly combined and smooth. Oh, this film is not sped up. This is speed whisking going on here by Rachel's mom. Here's Kyler and DOG. Just wanted to introduce them to you as well as part of our Sunday dinner crew here. All right, so it's not smell-o-vision, so you can't tell, but oh, can you see? It is smoking. We believe that the pan is hot enough. We're all a little scared to take it out of the oven because it's so hot. Oh my. Okay. Oh, it is sizzling. Oh yeah. I got it close up. Yeah, see how it's sizzling? Mine didn't do that in Texas. That's all the comments on my video when I made these in Texas are like, your oil wasn't hot enough. It should be sizzling. Oh yeah. And also you're filling yours fuller than I did, which I definitely regretted in hindsight. But now I'm gonna have this video to remember how we made them, and I can't wait to see how these turn out. Okay, we're putting these in to the very hot oven on the center shelf and hoping for the best. These are so lovely. We were a little worried that they might fall once we took them out of the oven, but no, they're just lovely and craggy and mutant. Ooh, look at this one. It's like totally climbing over. Look how gorgeous this is inside. It's like all big and cavernous, just like it should be. Way better than mine turned out. I'm trying my Yorkshire pudding in Yorkshire, made by 2 Yorkshire lasses who know what they're doing. That is fantastic. The gravy's fantastic, the beef is fantastic, and the Yorkshire pudding is perfection. Rachel, come over here. Come over here. She did a great job. Thank you.
It was a team effort.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video where I try Scottish treats with Rachel's sons. And please check out last week's Sunday roast dinner that we ate at a Yorkshire pub.